Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I have these two frames here and I wanted to add some art to them. And for this one, I wanted to add in Damian from Mean Girls. You know that part like where he's like, she doesn't even go here. And then for this one, I saw this and I thought of Helga from Hey Arnold. I thought of her little like locket that she has of Arnold. And so I think I'm gonna put him in here. And so yeah, let's just get into it. This is the picture that I'm going to turn into a painting, and I just printed it out to the size that I needed it to be. I'm going to show you guys two ways of how I trace out pictures if I need to. So this is the first way. After you have whichever picture you're using printed out, flip it over and then taking a pencil or a mechanical pencil, start coloring in the back of the picture just like this. This is watercolor paper and I'm going to cut out the shape that I need for my painting. I'm going to tape my paper on top of those mechanical scribbles that I did, and then I'm going to flip Damian's picture over. And so now I'm going to trace out the parts of Damian that I want to show up on my painting. And so I'm going to do his sunglasses, his mouth, the shape of his head, and the silhouette of his hoodie. Once you're done tracing out any of the details that you want, you can lift the picture off of your piece of paper that you taped on, and whatever details you traced out should have transferred onto your picture just like this. I'm going to paint Damian in with some watercolor paint, and I'm also going for like a really splotchy look, so I'm going to do this kind of messy. For the background, I just decided to do a black background, but I kind of regret not painting in the bleachers. With a Sharpie, I'm going back in and outlining Damian.
Glen Coco? Fall for you, Glen Coco. You go, Glen Coco. And none for Gretchen Wieners. 5. And I want my pink shirt back! I want my pink shirt back!
I wish that I could bake a cake made out of rainbows and smiles and we'd all eat, be happy.
She doesn't even go here.
For my second picture, I'm going to be painting Helga's locket of Arnold from Hey Arnold, and there's a couple of different versions of her locket, but I like the one on the top left the best. I feel like it's like the most iconic one, and so I just downloaded that picture. And I'm on my laptop, by the way. Off camera, I cut out a heart the size that would fit into the heart frame that I have. And so now I'm taping that piece of paper on top of my laptop screen over Arnold. And you want to make sure that your laptop screen's brightness is turned all the way up and that you're like in a bit of a dark room so you can like really see the picture through the piece of paper just like this. And so now I'm going to trace out Arnold. I'm gonna erase the lines that I don't need off camera, and then I'm gonna start painting in Arnold with some acrylic paint. I outlined Arnold with some black acrylic paint, and I feel like that really pulled this together. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!